On the St. Johns County page, we're going to click on Tax Deed Documents, and then we want to go to the Case tab and put in the tax deed number. And on the results page, we can see that under the status that it did sell, it didn't redeem, and that there's 11,000 in surplus. So we're going to click into that. And to know if the claims have been made, you can tell, but they don't give you the documents. So if you see right here, letters, surplus notice, and claim form, that is not a claim that's been put in. That's just the surplus notice and a blank claim form that has been sent to the property owners. But if you see surplus claim, image not available, a claim has been put in. So if there was no claim, this sentence would not be there. But there is a claim against this. It just hasn't been paid yet because it's still showing that it's sitting with the county. But if it hadn't, and this was a record you were pursuing, we're going to get the documents. And right here is the property information report. And if you look, we're going to look for the book and page number of the deed so we can download the deed. They don't put it here in the owner information area. Yeah, I don't see a book and page number. I'm going to scroll down. They might have put it in here with the property information report. This does look like what would be considered the deed. It is a personal representative's release and certificate of distribution of real property. They are, so the owner was deceased. I don't think this is the deed actually. So what I'm going to do to look for the deed is go up here to the property appraiser's website. Before I click the link, I'm just going to copy the parcel ID just in case this link doesn't go directly to this record. I'll be able to search for it easier. So I'm going to copy the parcel ID and then click on the property appraiser site. And it doesn't look like it went straight to that record. So I'm going to go to real property search and put in that parcel number that I copied. This owner information that it's showing is who owns it now, not the one who is due the surplus. And real quick, I'm going to go back here and just get that, know that name. It was Ruth Ellen. It was all these people. So Bowman, Herndon, and Rogers as last names. So I'm going to come here to the sale information. We don't want this one because this is the when it was sold at the tax deed. We want this one. And it does look like that would be considered the deed. After all, this is the same document we were just looking at. So this is likely the document that you would want. And the next thing we want is the notification addresses. And for St. Johns County, I believe it's called the proof of publication, which is right here. Yep, certificate of mailing. Here are all the names and addresses of the owners. And then we want the certification of tax deed application. I believe it's under the tax collector certification here. Yes, that's it. This is the document you want.